Did you know that the humble banana sitting in your kitchen can give you that radiant, glowing skin you have always dreamed of? Bananas are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that deeply nourish your skin, fight acne, reduce pigmentation, and bring out a natural, healthy glow. In today's video, I will show you 3 super effective, easy to make banana face packs you can try at home for clear, supple and glowing skin. Make sure to watch till the end because I will also share some pro tips on how to use these masks for the best results. So grab your bananas and let's get glowing. Why banana is great for your skin. First, let's talk about why bananas are a miracle ingredient for your skin. Bananas are rich in vitamin A, which fights dark spots and blemishes. They contain vitamin B that delays aging and reduces dryness. Vitamin E boosts the skin resistance to UV damage and pollution. And the potassium in bananas hydrates and moisturizes the skin deeply, making it soft and supple. Plus, bananas have natural antioxidants that protect your skin from free radicals, keeping it youthful and glowing. Bananas and honey face pack. Banana and honey face pack for deep moisture and natural glow. This is perfect for dry, dull skin. You will need 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. How to make: mash the ripe banana into a smooth paste. Add honey and mix well until you get a creamy consistency. How to use: apply evenly on your cleansed face and neck. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Benefits: honey is a natural humectant, which means it locks in moisture, leaving your skin hydrated and radiant. Banana and yogurt face masks. Banana and yogurt face pack for brightening and exfoliation. This pack is amazing for brightening and gentle exfoliation. You will need 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. How to make: mash the banana smoothly and yogurt and blend well. How to use: apply on your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Benefits: yogurt has lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, lightens blemishes, and gives you a fresh, glowing complexion. Banana and lemon face pack. Banana and lemon face pack for oily skin and acne. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, this one's for you. You will need 1 ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. How to make: mash the banana well, add lemon juice and mix. How to use: apply gently on face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Benefits: lemon juice has natural astringent properties and reduce excess oil, fight acne and lighten dark spots. Combined with banana, it soothes and brightens your skin. Pro tips for best results. Pro tips for using banana face packs. Always use ripe bananas for better results. Do a patch test if you are trying lemon for the first time. Use freshly made packs, don't store them. Apply once or twice a week for noticeable results. Always cleanse your face before applying the mask and moisturize after. And remember, glowing skin doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and natural ingredients like banana, your skin will thank you. If you found these DIY banana face packs helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more natural skincare tips every week. Comment below which banana face pack you're excited to try first and share your results with us. Stay beautiful, stay glowing. See you in the next video. Bye.